Makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be using the Perception palette from the SHAYLA X ColourPop collection that ColorPop just released recently. If you guys see my review, you guys already know that I'm totally in love with the collection, but if you haven't, I'll go ahead and leave a link right here for you guys, as well as down in the description box below. I am absolutely loving this palette. It has so many amazing shades, ranging from your neutrals to your fun pops of color, glitter, shimmer, duochrome. I love this palette. It's only $23, so super affordable. If you guys haven't got your hands on it, it is actually going to, they actually had a relaunch, I think, yesterday, so it's super exciting. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, just continue to watch.
Oh, girl, so fierce. So I'm going to do my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate, and then I'm going to dip into the color Culture, and I'm going to put this all into my crease. This is basically just going to be my transition shade. I really do love this shade, and it blends so nice. So I'm just using a fluffy brush for Morphe. Everything I'm using will be down in the description box below for you guys, just in case you guys don't catch something during the video. So the next shade I'm going to be dipping into is that color Revenge. I love this color. It's so rich and so me. I definitely gravitate toward these type of colors, especially during this time of year. Actually, who am I kidding? I gravitate towards these colors all year long, like even during like fall, because you know it's those warmer colors. So yeah, girl, I'm loving this shade for sure. So the next shade I'm going to be dipping into is the color Played Out, and I'm just going to deepen the outer V with this color. I'm going to add some depth to the eye, just smoke it out a little bit. And again, I'm using another Morphe brush. I think this is the M443. I really love this brush. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand and cut the crease. Now I really like cutting the crease with this concealer just because it's a thicker consistency, but it still dries really, really nice, so it doesn't create like a crease. Especially me, I have hooded lids, so that's not a go. So the next shade I'm going to be going into is Strut and Slay, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that over all of the areas that I put the concealer just now. Now I definitely think this shade performs a lot better with your fingers, but I'm just going to be using a dampened brush today. Now I'm just going into a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend those shades together just so there's no harsh line or no crazy patchiness going on. Can't be having that, girl. So guys, let me know down in the comment box below what you guys are doing on this beautiful Mother's Day. I'm with my babies, enjoying them. I love spending time with them, and they love spending time with their mommy. So the next shade I'm going to be getting into is Spill the Tea, and I'm going to highlight a little bit, but first I'm going to put some liner. I'm using the NYX matte liner. I'm really digging this liner, especially for a store brand liner. Like, this liner is bomb.com, and you guys know I was kind of sketch about it because of the tip. I'm really enjoying it. So I'm just going to remove the tape, and I'm loving the sharp line it created. I'm going to use a Baby Skin and the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I did prime with the LA Girl. I did correct with the LA Girl and prime with the Baby Skin. Can I get it together? And I'm just going to conceal under my eyes as well. So with the Fenty foundation in the color 350, I'm going to go ahead and cover this face, girl. I do like using this first, like dabbing it on my face with just like my fingertips, and then I clean up my brows using like the same brush that I clean up the bottom brows with. If you guys want a full brow routine, I'll leave a link right here for you guys, because I do get into more detail on how I do that. But I do like to clean the top of my brows because I feel like it just looks so much cleaner. I notice when I don't do this that I don't necessarily like my brows. And I've been liking doing my brows a lot thicker lately too. I mean, right now they don't look as thick, but I've been going a little bit thicker, and I don't know, I've been getting compliments on them when I go a little bit thicker. So I think I'm going to start doing that more often. But I like using my Morphe M439 to blend out this foundation. I usually like a sponge, but for some reason I really like a brush So I'm using the ColorPop concealer in the shade, I want to say 36, but I will leave it down in the description box below if I'm wrong. And I'm just going to conceal all my areas per usual and blend it out with the damp beauty blender like we always do. Now taking the color 56 from the ColorPop No Filter Concealer, I'm just going to contour with this. This shade is pretty deep, so do be careful, and a little goes a long way. So I'm going to take the Real Techniques brush and go ahead and blend this out. I do dampen it first, but it's just for this concealer. I never really ever have to dampen it with other concealers. Just preference. I don't know why, but I like it damp for this one. I feel like it moves around a little bit more. I like how warm this shade is too, like definitely brings a lot of warmth to my face, and I love that. So I'm going to set all the areas that I highlighted with the Beauty Bakerie setting flower in the color yellow. I love this powder. This is like my favorite setting powder at the moment, like nothing compares. So this is pretty much all I use. The only other one that I can honestly say that I use, but it's not, it's like drugstore, it's Wet n Wild. I don't use like Laura Mercier or anything like that at the moment. I just really am enjoying this Beauty Bakerie setting flower. If you guys haven't tried it, you guys are crazy sleeping. Like, you definitely need to check out the link down in the description box below. Get you guys some of that setting flower, girl, because it is a bomb. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia contour kit, and I'm going to take these 3 shades and just contour my face. I'm going to set that concealer that I applied earlier. It's just going to kind of like smoke it out a little bit too. I know that sounds crazy to be like, oh my god, I'm smoking out my contour, but it really does make it look nice and airbrush and just flawless. I feel like it adds such a beautiful touch when you go over, or when you do the concealer and then the powder versus no concealer and then just powder. I don't know why. I just feel like it just looks so much nicer. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up my contour. I don't always do this step, but my contour got a little bit crazy on me. And then I'm taking Bellissimo Bronze from Milani, my favorite blush that I always use and abuse, to go ahead and, you know, rosy up them cheeks, boo. Rosy up them cheeks. And I know right now you guys can see the setting flower that's left on the bottom of the cup, but don't worry about it. I'm going to get to it because I'm going to see it, girl. I'm going to see it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to blur it out. So taking the highlight pose, I'm going to go ahead and take this beautiful rosy color and then apply it to the high points of my cheeks, boo. But first I did set my face with the MAC setting spray. MAC setting spray. I'm going to take that and then I'm just going to spray my face so it can get a little bit juicy, girl. And because I want a little bit more of a bang, I'm going to go ahead and take Boomin' and add to that highlight. And look at it, girl. Look at her. Look at her shine. Doesn't she look so gorgeous? Like, yes. I love it. So gorgeous. I mean, it's just... God, it's just shining, shining. But seriously, guys, Shayla freaking killed it with these highlighters. I am definitely appreciating these chocolate girl friendly highlighters, girl. I mean, there's so many highlighters out there, but not all of them work for us. If you know the struggle, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Now, going back into Revenge, I'm going to go ahead and apply this shade to the lower lash line. To the outer lash line, I went ahead with Played Out. Then I'm going to take the Lily lashes in the style London, and I'm going to apply those, and then go into Unbothered and highlight the inner tear ducts just a little bit more. I know we applied Spill the Tea earlier, but yeah. Ooh, so now we're going to go into Ooh and apply this to my lips, but first I'm going to line my lips with the MAC Pro Lip Liner. I'll leave the shade down below. This shade is such a gorgeous shade. I love this shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's very, very similar to a shade by Maybelline called Just Peachy, except Just Peachy I feel like has a little bit more of a pink undertone. So guys, this is it. This is her, girl. She slays. Yes, work it.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do want to I do want to tell everybody Happy Mother's Day. If you're a mother out there, Happy Mother's Day. I know this day is a special day for me, a little bit of an emotional day for me, just because if you guys know, I did lose my mom around this time of year a couple of years back, so it has been a little bit of an emotional roller coaster these last few years, just dealing with the grieving of that. So this weekend is just a little bit of an up and down, so I did want to cheer myself up and just get on here and record a video for you guys. So I thought, what better than this corally look? My mom really likes those types of colors, so I figured, why not create this look for her? It's Mama's Day after all. So I do want to say that you guys should definitely give this palette a try because it has so many amazing shades, as I talked to you guys about earlier. I mean, there's so many more looks that I'm going to create with this palette, so stay tuned. And if you guys are interested in knowing how I did my hair, go ahead and leave me a comment down in the box below, and I will definitely get that to you guys because it's super easy, super simple. I think my hair took longer to straighten than it really did to create the braids. So yeah, I do want to thank you guys for watching. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might find it useful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Today I'm going to be reviewing, today I'm going to be using the Precision palette, or Precision, what the hell? Today I am going to be using the Perception palette from SHAYLA X Kylie? What the fuck? This is from the color, oh my god.
If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to check out some of my other videos. Also follow me on Instagram at I am SashaFierce411 and Snapchat at SashaFierce411. I'd love to keep in touch with you guys.